Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. Can you solve these questions just in 30 seconds? If you are talented, then solve these questions just in 30 seconds. But guys, if you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then in this video I can solve this question step by step. So do not skip this video. It is very important for you because mathematics operation is used in every field. Okay, so I can in this video I can understand you about PEMDAS rule. Always also I can explain KCF rule, which is very important in mathematics calculation, and mostly people can do not know about these. So I can solve these questions step by step according to PEMDAS as well as KCF rule. So do not forget this video, do not skip this video. I can solve these questions step by step. So guys, our solution is, guys, according to PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Guys, remember that parentheses have higher priority than other operation. Also remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. Also guys, similarly remember that addition and subtraction have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. But remember that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So in this question I can solve step by step according to PEMDAS rule. Guys, now here I can explain to you that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. So this expression I can solve from left to right. So 2 multiplied by 8, which is equal to, guys, 16. Okay, divided by 8 divided by 4. Okay, now in next step I can write it as 16 divided by 8 divided by 4. Guys, here 8 and 16 cancel with each other, and the answer is 2. Now here I can write it as 2 divided by 4, and further simplify it, then 2 divided by 4. Here 2 and 4 cancel with each other, and the final answer of this expression is 1 divided by 2. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel for this type of math puzzle. And also if you enjoy this, then like to this video, and also guys, wait for next video. Thanks a lot.